Every successful property sale comes down to three key factors: the right people, the right location, and the right price. For Casa Canuck, the sellers, buyers, and our team at Vida Co work together with one clear goal: turning the right opportunity into a successful sale. Join us as we take you behind the scenes and share how we made it all possible. The drive to Casa Canuck is an experience in itself. As you pass family-owned restaurants, local shops, churches, open fields, and generations-old homes, you get a glimpse into the everyday rhythm of San Antonio. A beautiful community where culture, tradition, and nature come together to create a truly authentic Belizean lifestyle. Hidden within the lush landscape, Casa Canuck welcomes you with a sense of calm, where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to embrace the beauty of Belize.
So, why did this property sell so fast? We want to discuss about the main features of this property. Apart from being expansive, approximately 20 acres.
Yeah.
What made this property so special is the location. Like any other real estate, location is one of the most important things.
Yes.
Yeah, very, very important, right? Also, the price, that had a lot to do with it. So, what can you tell me?
Well, the property itself, if we talk about value, there's many things that actually add to the value of this property. For instance, the Airbnb section that it has, it comes with a guest house separate from the main house. So, and it has its own private entrance roadway, so you can actually lock that up. So adding value to the property, that's one way. Another way is the property itself in terms of the fruits. There's so many fruits, plenty of fruits, variety of fruits, mangoes. We're looking at pineapple, we're looking at breadfruit as well. So just to name a few. So these are some of the things you can actually supply to the local market if you don't want to or to have the fruits for yourself. That's one. And also, if you look at the destination, you mentioned the location itself. In this village, it's really, really tranquil, peaceful, quiet. So all of this adds to the value itself of the property.
Yeah, it's a unique lifestyle. Look,
yeah.
Everywhere you turn, it's greenery. You're surrounded by nature. You have your chicken coop.
Yeah, you have turkey.
Self-sustainable property. You could live off of it.
Yeah.
And another important feature is the 2 acres. You have a pineapple patch. You have several lychee
fruit, lychee,
trees. Yeah. Well, what else? The papaya, lime.
There's plenty of papaya, lime.
Mango, a lot of mango. You have avocado.
Yes.
And mature trees all around. So it's not a raw piece of land where all you have is a little patch where the house sits. You have 7 acres of well-groomed property. It's well kept. It's very well organized as well. Like Ari said, the casita, which is right in front of us, it has its own access. So you have about 900 feet of road frontage. The main house with its own gate, its own entrance. Then you have the casita with its own entrance as well, its own gate. So, yeah. Take a look at the casita. It's like hidden right in there,
So all of this adds to the value itself. In addition to that, we also, we talk about how did we come to this point in terms of the marketing? How did that play. It did a huge role in this, securing the property itself. The way how we present the properties, it's not a one-day thing. There's a lot of planning that goes behind it. We look at first understand the lifestyle, the storytelling. How will we portray this using what we know, such as the professional videography, the professional photography. We talk about aerial, we talk about low shots. There's plenty of how we portray it. So this itself is a section that made it possible of getting the property sold. In addition to that, there's constant communication between the buyers, sellers, our team. There's plenty of visiting the property, understanding the different from corner to corner. So when it comes to marketing in general, we understand first from the owner's perspective, and then we try to see how we can fit this with the skills our team is capable of doing. Mr. Jose, so what can you tell us? What can you tell us in regards to the value or factors that contributed to the fast sale of Casa Canuck?
Aris, the most important factor that contributed to the fast sale of Casa Canuck was how easy it was to work with the sellers.
Yes, I agree.
From the listing appointment, we had very good communication. And when we kept that consistency, communicating, bringing everything, presenting them with how we market properties, they were so happy. And I guess, I shouldn't say I guess, but they were confident that they knew who they were working with, and that's one of the main factors. Secondly, I think the price was just right. We presented our CMA and they were satisfied with it and impressed. I must say that they were impressed. We did land at a price that they felt that was right for it to move this fast. So
yes.
I'm not surprised it sold this fast. But
so,
the price, it has to do a lot with it.
Yeah. And you mentioned the CMA. We normally would present this before we even get to a certain stage in listing our property. So research, I would say research did a lot of add would be another factor to the fast sale. But indeed, and I'm glad everything turned out the way we actually had it planned. So yeah, kudos to our team for the hard work and as well for the buyers.
It's
and
team support.
Yes.
So we are a full-service real estate brokerage. Vida Co has been operating in Central Belize for over 6 years. And I must say that, we always move forward with the intention that our goals are aligned with our clients. So our clients come first, and we make sure we do everything professionally.
All of this, stems from the planning, the research we did, the lifestyle, the portraying. So I'm happy, where we are today, and we look forward to presenting many more beautiful places like this in Belize. And again, we wanna
looking forward to our next big project. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of my team. I'm so glad to be part of Vida Co. You did an amazing job presenting it to the buyers. Also our office team who did an excellent job in preparing all the paperwork. So
a full real estate company.
Correct. Doing everything. So in this specific sale, we presented both the buyers and the seller. Which was, we do this a lot, but not everyone feels confident when you have one brokerage representing both sides of the transaction. So this is who we are, Vida Co Real Estate. Can't be more proud of being part of this team. So this is Casa Canuck, a 20-acre paradise in San Antonio Village that has just been closed. Congratulations to the buyers, congratulations to the sellers. We're so glad to be part of this journey. Cheers.
We are Vida Co Real Estate. Whether you're buying, selling, investing real estate in Belize, we are your partner. Contact us today. Whether you're searching for your dream property or considering selling your own, our team is here to guide you through every step of the journey with expertise, transparency, and care. If you're ready to start your Belize real estate journey, we'd love to help. Contact us today or subscribe to our channel for more updates.